how to share shopping carts on Amazon. So Amazon does not have a direct feature to share a shopping cart with others, but we can do some similar thing in order to share it with others. So here is how you can do it. Simply log into your Amazon account and navigate to any product you want to add to cart to. Add items to your cart. After you add to them, then simply go to the cart, and here you can see there is no share option available there. Now all you have to do is tap on the product you have just added to your cart and then tap on the share option available there. So after you tap on the share option, you can share the link with the others, and you can simply send them in other apps as well. So while this method does not allow direct sharing of a shopping cart, it provides a way for others to see the items you are interested in purchasing. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.